Welcome to Connected Lab at WPIA video tutorial on Quorum Sensing. Section 1. What is quorum sensing? Quorum sensing is a process by which populations of bacteria coordinate behavior by chemically communicating with special signaling molecules called autoinducers. These mechanisms seem to have evolved to allow for coordinated action dependent on local population number, a tactic commonly employed by opportunistic bacteria like E. coli to increase virulence. In other words, the E. coli patiently wait until they are in great enough numbers before initiating their attack on a host. Vibrio fischeri is popular for demonstrating quorum sensing, not because it was the first organism with which quorum sensing was observed, but because of its mad-cool bioluminescent activity. Vibrio fischeri exists as a symbiont in the light-producing organ of the Hawaiian bobtail squid. It was in the 1960s when scientists discovered that, while the bacterial cells are free-living, the autoinducer is present at low concentration and so the cells do not luminous. In the bobtail's light organ, this autoinducer is at a very high concentration and transcription of the luciferase gene is induced, which results in that awesome glow. Section 2. How does quorum sensing work? Bacteria which employ quorum sensing produce and secrete signaling compounds called autoinducers, initially at a lower frequency. When few other bacteria of the same kind are in the vicinity, diffusion reduces the concentration of the little inducer produced in the surrounding medium. After a rise in local population number, the concentration of the inducer increases and, in the case of gram-negative bacteria like Vibrio fischeri and E. coli, it is more likely to bind the inducer transporter on the bacterial surfaces. After the inducer is transported into the cell, it activates transcription of certain genes, such as virulence genes, and increases production of the autoinducer. Thus, the bacteria coordinate their behavior. You may not have known before that bacteria can communicate with each other. Isn't it amazing? Knowledge is awesome.